Today I'm sharing with you my top favorite bougie kitchen items for moms. These are the things that I am so thankful I spent money on them and splurged, and I just really love using them in the kitchen. Number one, my KitchenAid mixer. I love this beauty. I bake cakes all the time, and I just feel like it's a really fun way to celebrate birthdays for family and friends is to make a homemade cake. I also think they taste 100 times better than store-bought cakes, even if you're using a box mix. Typically, when you do that 2 minutes of mixing the cake mix, and this is just doing its thing, that's when I'm cleaning up all the dishes that I use to bake. So I love it. If you're interested, check out the links below. I have a full review on the KitchenAid. Number two, this knife set by Cutco. This was a Christmas gift a couple years ago from my husband. I use these every single day. Every day I'm using a knife, whether it's to cut an apple, to put peanut butter on toast, to prep veggies for a salad. I use this every single day. This probably should have been number one. My most used knife out of this set, this here, is one of my favorite knives out of this set. The scissors are also fantastic. Oh, they're like heavy duty, super good quality, very sharp. This knife was not in the block set that we purchased from Costco, but this is the Nikiri knife, and this is also one of my favorite knives by Cutco. I have a review on this knife too in particular, so I'll put a link below to that too. Number three, the Vitamix. I love this thing. I love the Vitamix. The Vitamix was one of the first big ticket, like fancy appliances that we purchased. I don't know how many years I've had this, but I've had it for a while. I love it. I love making protein smoothies, and I use berries, I use spinach, I use nuts and seeds. The previous blender that I had would not grind everything all the way. So you'd get like pieces of spinach or seeds stuck in your teeth after drinking a smoothie. This baby will liquefy anything and everything. I use this to grind coffee beans. I use it to make smoothies. I use it to make fruit bowls, like acai bowls. I just feel like no blender that I've ever had compares to the quality of blending that this thing does. Number four, the Ninja slow cooker. This is the Ninja Possible slow cooker, and this was a gift that I recently received. I love this thing. It is a slow cooker, but you can also like saute and do so many other things with it. So if I wanted to saute or like brown some beef or cook up some onions and then turn it to slow cook mode, I could do it all in one pot. This piece removes, super functional, and I just love it. And it's a really pretty color. You know, like all the crock pots look the same out there. I think this one's so pretty, it makes me happy to use. Number five, follow me. Number five is this Cuisinart air fryer. This is actually a toaster oven and an air fryer, a little easy bake oven, if you want to call it that. I love that style of air fryer because it's multifunctional. It's a small convection oven. It's an air fryer. It's a toaster. You could like dry out fruit like it's a dehydrator. It does so many things. We mostly use it for air frying, baking, or toast. And it looks nice. I think it looks nice on the counter. Hey, if you need permission to give yourself a gift for a holiday or a birthday or any special event, permission granted. And if you need an idea, then maybe you got an idea from this video. There's links to everything down below.